goal in sight, charting out the phases, keeping timelines tight. Stakeholders all on board, we initiate with flair. Maverick managers, we excel and dare. Planning is the game where we thrive and lead. From scope to resources, we plant every seed. Budgets drawn, risks known, we chart the course. Communication lines open, we show no remorse. From PMI to ATG, we manage with grace. Projects big and small, we embrace the chase. Frameworks and processes are tools of the trade. Maverick managers in excellence array. Executing with precision, our team takes the stage. Quality at the forefront, we engage the age. Monitoring, controlling, adjustments on the fly. Projects on track, success in our eye. From PMI to ATG, we manage with grace. Projects big and small, we embrace the chase. Frameworks and processes are tools of the trade. Maverick managers in excellence array. In the final hours, reflections shine clear. Lessons learned, achievements dear. Closing out strong, our journey's complete. Mavericks of management never face defeat.